everybody, my name is Gary. I've come here because of arthritis issues, several joints. I started here with my knees. I've had the procedure done last week. I've noticed less pain from sharp pain that would just come occasionally when you're sitting and you move. That's really subsided. And I'm just hoping in the future that it just keeps progressing, and but definitely seeing some improvement in a short period of time.
Wonderful, Gary. And before you had the stem cell therapy done, on a scale of 1 to 10, what would you have rated your pain levels?
Well, I guess they would depend on the day, but there's always pain. It would always be a 5 to a 9, I guess.
Okay.
I've been told I need 2 knee replacements, 2 shoulder replacements, ankle replacement. So I'm not looking forward to multiple surgeries. So this is an option that I'm trying, and so far I've been happy with the results and hope they progress.
Wonderful. And during your procedure, what would you say, on a scale of 1 to 10, the level of pressure or pain that you went through, if any?
Procedure wasn't bad. I've had injections in my knees before, and it's about the same. After the procedure that night, they were a little tender, more than usual, I guess, but that subsided, and they've been feeling a little better each day. I've been taking it very easy. This is what they told me to do, so
Wonderful.
hopefully it'll progress.
Yes, absolutely. Thank you, Gary, for sharing your story with us, and we wish you much success.
I hope so. Thank you.